What's up guys, welcome to Ebn C channel. So I finished the 2012 Toyota Camry. So all then I did record a little bit, but not like this review, just finish it. So I decided to see all then. So the body shop, they paint the whole car. So if you can see, it's perfect. I was outside, so it's dirty now. So I replaced the fender, the tire and wheels, then the control arm, the lower one, and the suspension, the hub, everything on wheel side is all changed, and the axle definitely is broken, and the mirror on the side, this one was broken too, so I did replace that. It's aftermarket. And what else? And then the ABS sensor have issues. So this the other one, this new tire. There it is. Oh good. If it is the tires aluminum was good. So let's check the here. The hood. Okay, see it. It's not cleaned. Or it's good. Low mileage car. Okay, let's go inside. So here it is. It's not leather seat, so you can see. Let me show you if your car have issues on the ABS sensor. I didn't record when I was doing it. If you want to do for the ABS sensor for the front one, the rear one I didn't do, so I don't know. You'll need 10mm and 12mm. That's it. And then just take it off and replace it. And then you need to take the fender liner, otherwise you can take the sensor off, and you need some tools for that. So if you have ABS light issues, you can tell from the here. You take here's the light down here for the ABS, and then for the brake, these two will turn together and I will turn off together. Now this one I put the brake so I can turn off it. It's off now. So over here. So if that one's both lights on, one of the sensor have issues. There's a back, two in the back, two in the front, so you need to check that by scan tool, otherwise you can't tell without that one. But you can go to AutoZone and they can scan for you, and then they can tell which side is issues. Sometimes to give you 4 of them because of one have issues, but you can't. You can risk the code, and then you show you on the mine was passenger side. You can already I know because I have scan tools. If you don't know, raise that code, and then that code, that one, if that one have issues, it will never turn off, so you can't tell that one. So that one's good thing to know. Some people don't know on YouTube. I see what I'm going to do, so if you want to know, that one is good. Maybe I'll do another video for that one, short video to tell for people how they can know. Overall, this car is for sale now. I hope you enjoyed the video and like and subscribe.